What's up, Don, GM, or sorry, AJ, Devin, Jacob? What the heck? I did not click on that. There we go. I know we need to break out of this range. It's an annoying range, I'll tell you that. Welcome to the live trading. Let's hope for a green day. Yesterday I had a red day. Well, like, kind of red, kind of green. Red on the futures, but green on my options. I actually made around, I took a few other trades throughout the day. Quick little scalps, but made about 600 on my options. Bang. All right. Let's lock in. It's just this 4-hour consolidation we've been in. You can see that we kind of have like this big old symmetrical triangle on ES. We can see it on NQ as well. There we go. But yeah, if we can finally break that, I mean, we should get a push. And then I'll mainly watch this supply zone up here after that. I was hoping PPI would be the thing to break us through, but I guess not. Keep an eye on Meta, though. Meta looks really strong. Well, it did. Never mind. Started to pull back in the pre-market, but get above yesterday's high. I'm going to look for a continuation. Palantir I have on the side, and then I would like to see my TQQQ start breaking out and nuking. Hey, good morning, everybody. Just tapping in. I'm going to go get some water real quick, though. I'll be back. Alrighty. So yeah, not super excited about any setup today. Just gonna stay patient, wait for the market to trade to, a high probability area. We get a high probability intraday setup, then obviously we'll look to take it. But like I said, not super excited. I want to see if we have any other news that could break us out. No, all we had was PPI today, and then tomorrow we have import price index, business inventories, nothing major. Guess we'll see. See what the market's got to offer us. Oh, Trump is speaking about tariffs. Okay. That could break us out. See, now that's something that we should pay attention to. I mean, bull flag works whenever, to be honest. Or it's valid whenever. Yeah, I see it. The only issue is we're trading into an area of supply. Could it break it? Yeah. But we'll see. Actually, we got through that. I mean, it could push up into 60-90 off of this if you want to watch it. I'm personally not going to take it. I want to find one super high probability setup today. Yeah, I have that on my phone. Of GD. Well, if Trump is speaking at 1, market might be slow until then. Give the market like an hour, hour and a half. Alrighty, what do we got? 4 minutes. No, ES and NQ both move the market. As far as ES and NQ, I don't know which one I'm going to trade today. It just depends. Or the futures. Just depends. One goodie, yes indeed. But yeah, let's hope tariff news are good. And my TQQQ nukes. That would be ideal. I was really thinking they would push off PPI, but I guess I was wrong. All right, 1 minute. Let's get it. Yesterday's price action can F off. We're catching a banger today. Yesterday was the first red day in a hot minute. Like 3 seconds. Let's get it. Patience. Thank you for the subscribe. Bull flag does look tempting, but I can't do it right here at this area of supply. Could it break? Absolutely, but I'm gonna wait. Do I go live every day? Yes, sir. Every day in Team Bull and the mentorship. All right, let's see. Actually, we did not test that 6090 yet. Actually, we did. Sorry. We'll see what happens right there. NQ's getting to that trend line. So far, rejecting. See if we can break it. See how our TQQQ is doing. Almost at break even. I do like this NQ though. Breaking above the overnight highs. Broke this flag. Maybe a retest of PPI. We can look for calls, longs. $530.7. We'll see what happens. There we go. So keep an eye on Meta. But yeah, I think it pulled back to 530.7. I'm willing to watch. Damn, these contracts are pricey today. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, still struggling with that supply zone. You turn the heat up, it's cold. All right. Let's see if we get this pullback. Still personally think we might hang around until tariffs. Like, obviously, we might get some good moves, but I think the big moves are going to come with the tariff news. Come on, 530.7. Pull it back. This area right here on NQ is what I'm watching. A little bit more. I'm watching this area right here. See if we can hold it. Gonna have to reclaim it on this 5-minute candle or it's invalid. Pulling back to that 8 EMA and VWAP. Let's see if it can bounce. Well, does not look like it's going to. It's looking like we're going to reject that ES supply again. All right, that setup is invalid. No trade. Smacked off that 60-90 level. Steve, send me a DM on Instagram. Or Steven, sorry. No trade there. There's no fibs. No imbalances. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. That's the only thing I really liked. Who was texting me when I'm trying to trade? My mentee made 180 bucks. Look at him. 9 minutes into open. I post that up on Instagram. Shit, he made $180 in 9 minutes. I should give him my account. She's bounce up. It's hard when one indice is looking stronger or weaker compared to the other. Like NQ was trying to break, but ES was in that supply zone towards yesterday's high. And it's not like, could I have shorted here? Yes. It's just the risk was also too wide. So, also, it was like right off the open. Typically don't trade within the first 5-10 minutes. the mentee's trying to overtrade. And I was like, you made 180 bucks, fuck off, don't overtrade. And he's like, I'm watching the next level. I said, respectfully, shut up and go work out. Get you a mentor that talks to you like that. All right, so they're buying up this whole dip. I'd be interested if we built a base on top of these for longs. If we hold the level. I'm about to go smack this dude. He's trying to overtrade. We're gonna send him a voice note. All right, listen. I'm ignoring you after I send this, but go to the fucking gym and turn off your computer. Thank you. Bye. There. We're done with him. Want to see if we can hold these moving averages. If we can, again, I'm interested in potential longs. Still want to see how we hold these levels. Because starting to get a decent setup on NQ and QQQ. We're just going to need more candles. Maybe if we can get like a bullish candle on this, like maybe close somewhere up here, then come back down and retest this area, I'd try. I'd be interested in longs or calls. See if we get it. Yeah, that DraftKings equity is long term. It's actually already up a decent bit. I think it's up like 5 or 6% from where we added. DraftKings up too. Oh, it's up more now. But yeah, I'm old. The monthly is like beautiful. I think we could go up and test 49.50. See how we close this 5 minute. So let's see if we get that close somewhere up there in the pullback. Let's have the 531 calls pulled up. Depending on how this candle closes, though. Again, I'm looking for a bullish candle close somewhere up here. Pull back, retest this area. See if we can look for calls and longs. What you gonna do? Not a huge fan of that candle. We'll see if we pull back to here though. Hopefully not break right now and push. Don't you do it. Pull back first. You suck. Guess we'll see how this candle closes. And if it pulls back. I mean, ideally, we get a bullish candle up here and pull back. That'd be even better. All right, let's see if we get this pullback. As long as we don't go and take out high day, it's still valid. We're also testing that trend line again. All right, perfect. All right, let's see if we get this pullback now. Ideally, I would like here, but I'll settle for this, depending. We go take out high day without pulling back. I'm kicking somebody. Who's it gonna be? Another Green Day. Let's go. I'm gonna kick somebody. I don't know who yet though. All right, we're back at that high day on Spy. Greg's a different breed of trader, I'll tell you that. That boy kills it. I don't know how he does it. Spy's taking out high day. Well, guess you don't want to pull back for Brando. But good news is we got TQQQ. So I'm gonna let that mofo run. Just stay patient. Yeah, we're not liking that supply zone on ES. We're rejecting it again. I'm still waiting to see what happens if we pull back. We did take out that high day, but I thought this squeeze would have fired by now. So it's still technically valid until these dots are gone. Let's see. This, ideally this. See if we get bought up. Let's give it a go. I'm in. I'll stop below these lows. Push. Stop is below these lows. I'm risking like 20 bucks a contract. Come on. Push it through. Come on. Push through this 531.20. I'll look for a first trim. There we go. A little more of a push. A lot of sellers here that we have to take out. There we go. All right, let's take a trim up here. Let's take a trim. Let's put our stop at break even. Just in case. Because we do have those sellers up here that were struggling to break above. Plus, we've kind of failed this trend line a couple of times. So let's see if we can continue to get a push. We're pushing above right now. Very nice move. I'm going to look to trim a little more right here. We're up $30 from our entry. Again, let's keep the stop loss on the remainder break even. Next trim's going to be high a day. There we fucking go. Keep pushing. I'm going to take one more small trim up here. One more small trim. Now I want high a day. Stop loss break even. Stop loss break even. Where's that Alejandro dude from yesterday? That boy can suck my nuts. Psych. I'll calm down. Stop loss break even. Those went from 1.48 to 2. So about $52 return on those contracts. So what is that, like 25%, 25, 30%? Real quick while we're letting the trade play out. If you guys made some money on this QQQ or you're finding education in today's live stream, give me a little W in the chat. Better see W's all across the board. Talk in the background. Cool. Fire. Cody, what are you doing here, bro? Aren't you on a plane? Come on, give me that high a day. We do have a lot of sellers up there, so let's see if we can take them out. Yeah, remember we talked about the pullback to that 21 in VWAP. Did I not tell the future for you guys? Give me that high a day, baby. Give me that high a day. Come on. Everybody can attest, right? That I was like, let's look for some bullish candles and a pullback. Yeah. We break high a day. I'm going to oil up. Run around downtown Denver. Gene's going to record. Stop. Sorry that you guys got to hear squeaking. See if we can take out these highs. Let's put our stop loss to like $10 in profit. Come on, break high day. Break high day. 1.48 to 215 on these contracts. There we go. QQQ's at new high day, not NQ. See if it can break. Go away. Go. Should I be greedy and see if we break it? I might take one more trim. I don't have that big of a position left, but stop. Go. Anybody want a dog? There we go. Let's see if we can take out these sellers now. There we go. We're almost up $100 per contract here. We need like 10 more bucks. All right, give me your ball. You guys still holding runners? All right. I went ahead and took one more tiny trim. I have a very, very, very small position left. I just want to see what else we can get. Stop loss. Like $30 in profit now. We might as well. Really wish that Alejandro dude was here today. He can really suck a fat one. Boy was talking shit yesterday after one losing trade for like 30 points on NQ. What have we moved so far on NQ? Like 90 points, if not more. Oh, we hit our $100. Actually, 1.48 to 2.58. So $110 from our entry. All right, I'm all out. All out the remainder of the position. Beautiful, beautiful trade, everybody. Anybody that was doubting yesterday, we came back today. We just literally obliterated that trade. I might push a little more, but that's I am completely okay with that. That was a beautiful trade. If you guys could go drop a little react in my channel if you're in Team Bull. We got in like somewhere around here. We started to bounce off that VWAP. Trade looks something like that, give or take like the entry. I didn't take the future, so I can't put it exactly where I ended up getting filled as far as the candle. But it was like somewhere in this overall area. So I'd say about like anywhere from like a 3 to maybe like a 3.5 R trade that we just caught. And TQQQ. Oh shit. That's how you break a phone. And TQQQ is moving. Let's see, what are we at? Gotta get it pulled up. We're up like 30 bucks. Nothing crazy. 30 bucks off of my average, but yeah, what the hell? I was simply gonna stop out if we broke below VWAP. So again, like you guys heard me say, that setup was still valid on the 5-minute as long as we had these dots. So it's a different kind of setup that I like to look for. Now I'm looking at the YouTube chat. It's a different setup that I like to look for. But if we can squeeze, which is exactly what this is right here, and we start to get a bullish stack, ADMA above the 21, and then VWAP, it sets up for a high probability trade to the upside, right? So when you guys heard me say that I was looking for bullish candles to close back up above these levels, we took this same exact trade last week, right? So we break below VWAP, moving averages, very quickly bounce back up and start reclaiming it. I wanted to see bullish price action to catch a long entry. So I wanted bullish candles, which, as you guys heard me say, this was, the bullish candle I was looking for, and then the pullback. We pushed up into that high day, rejected it. It was still valid because we still held these dots. So as soon as we pulled back and started to bounce off of this level right here and come back up, that's when we got long. And again, we would have stopped out right below this low. And we were able to capture a beautiful, beautiful trade to the upside. But yeah, it's going to be a one and done for me today, fam. Mr. Gene, are you here? Me and Gene had a little psychology call last night. Did you take a trade today, Mr. Gene? Was it a winning trade, Mr. Gene? Get out of here. No mames. It's alright, bro. There's Alejandro. Did you catch that trade, buddy? I'm sorry I told you to suck it. But we can be friends. As long as you apologize for yesterday, then we can be friends. But yeah, it is one and done for me today. One and done. I'm gonna hang out in the Zoom chat for a little bit though, but I'm gonna end the YouTube stream. Everybody on YouTube, have a good one. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.